Earthworms are vital for good soil. They aerate the soil as they move by burrowing small holes. They process organic matter in their bodies and return vital compounds to the soil, increasing the nutrients available to plants. Let's take a closer look at how earthworms benefit your garden. 1. Improve soil nutrient availability. Earthworms help create humus, which is a dark brown-black type of soil that holds important nutrients in place for plant growth and use. The worms feed on plant debris such as manure, grass, leaves, and dead roots, as well as the soil. The digestive system of the worm concentrates the mineral and organic compounds in the food they consume, so their casts become richer in available nutrients than in the soil around them. When worms die, the body of the worm decomposes rather quickly, which further contributes to the nitrogen content of the soil. 2. Better drainage. Earthworms also improve drainage and prevent soil erosion and waterlogging, as their extensive channeling and burrowing help to loosen and aerate the soil and improve soil drainage. Research has found that soil with earthworms drain as much as 10 times faster than soil without earthworms. 3. Improved soil structure. The casts of earthworms help to cement the soil particles together. These sticky substances glue the mineral particles together in the aggregates, and, at the same time, in a kind of mutual relationship, the mineral particles help to protect the organic matter to some extent from microbial attacks, thus preserving it for a longer time in the soil. When your soil has worm castings, they help to improve the structure and fertility of every type of soil, even on reclaimed land that has little or no topsoil. As the castings are water-soluble, they have an immediate positive impact on plant growth. Now, how to attract earthworms to your garden. If you have no earthworms or very few, attracting them to your garden can allow you to take advantage of all their benefits. Add organic material. If there are few earthworms in your garden, it may be because your soil is compacted or low in organic material. You can add chopped leaves, straw, grass clippings, dead roots, semi-decomposed compost, and animal manure to your garden, which will allow worms to thrive. Earthworms feed on soil and dead or decaying plant remains, including straw, leaf litter, and dead roots, as well as animal dung. Earthworms prefer damp and cool environments, but not too dry, too wet, or too cold. The thicker the soil canopy, the easier it will be to maintain those desirable conditions. Earthworms don't like acidic soils with pH levels less than 4.5. The addition of lime will raise pH while also adding calcium. They need a continuous supply of calcium, so are absent in soils lacking this element. Maintain a no-dig or bare minimum dig. The less digging, the better. Just dig enough to get new plants in. The earthworms do all the soil churning and turning. You can also consider to purchase earthworms, or you can take them from your worm farm and add them to soil. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe for more videos.